Okay, so Johan and Abe just try to hold those lines kind of steady. I'm gonna try to go back as far as I can and see how it sits now. And just keep tension on it. Perfect. And then you're gonna have to drive the truck. I'm gonna go in the water under the boat. Aloha guys, making a video of me loading my sailing catamaran Seawind 1000 onto a homemade trailer.
You got it.
Videoing it because I think it would help anybody who wants to do it, and I really didn't find too many videos on YouTube on how to load up your sailing catamaran on a homemade trailer. So here it goes. Enjoy.
It's close, yeah?
I think we can slide the boat forward.
Okay, slide the boat forward. When you're ready, I'll start releasing the springs.
Okay, we're gonna slide the boat forward onto the trailer, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna release these springs.
Oh, stop. Okay, tie it up. Okay, come back, Johan.
Okay, it's not centered this way though.
Reverse a little bit, 2 feet. More. Okay, stop. Okay, Abe, get this bow line. Okay, forward a little.
1 foot, Johan.
Oh, stop.
Easy on your pressure on the back. You're pulling it in. Little bit.
Okay, 1 foot forward.
1 foot, Johan.
Okay, stop.
Look forward.
Okay, forward a little.
1 foot, Johan.
No, stop.
Okay, boat forward.
Okay,
Boat forward. Surge coming in.
okay, go. Hold it right there, Cabana. Hold it, lock it. Okay, forward, Johan, 1 foot.
1 foot, Johan.
Go. Okay, stop.
Nice job, guys.
Let me go check underneath.
Okay, you go check.
Okay, the hardest part was setting the
Stand by.
boat on the trailer at the right spot, and once you got it on the right spot, it's real easy. Okay, looks good. Oh shit. And looks like the outboard pods, one of the trailer lift points is kind of hitting the port side, so I gotta push over the boat a little bit more to the port to get it to seat in between the two pods without, see that hitting. That's not gonna work, so we're gonna put it back in the water, slide it more to the left to the port. and then it should fit right in between.
Okay, I gotta reposition the stern. It's too
much on this side.
Yeah, I gotta move it more.
You have to go in the water again.
Hold on.
Or you think we can just try to pull that back rope with Brian?
No, I gotta bring it this way more.
Oh, this is somewhere in the back.
So yeah, maybe you and the kind slide it over.
Okay. You gotta pull it this way.
No, just try check out the stern. It's too. It has to come this way like half a foot. It's hitting the
And the stern is still floating a little.
engine well. Okay, we're just gonna come back a foot, just very slow. Okay, pull it, you guys. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, stop. So I'm gonna. Okay. Okay, hold it tight. Okay, a foot forward. Slowly come up. Oh, wait. Okay, we moved it perfect.
But that worked good, yeah? Little hop, little skip. It also lifted.
So now I'm motoring the boat more forward onto the trailer pads. So it
oil from the trailer.
exactly where it's supposed to sit. A little bit more forward than I had it.
Perfect.
So there we go.
Right here. Okay, foot forward.
1 foot.
Okay, 2 feet forward. Okay, stop.
Now it's looking like it's right at the right spot. It should be where it's far forward enough, but not too far. And I think we're just gonna go ahead and pull it out now.
Yeah.
The ass of the boat is getting really close to the dock. It would like Johan to turn a little bit to the left to try to pull it away. Your fender's pinched hard.
Okay, well, I'm gonna drive from now on. Hold on.
Okay, roger. You want to lash it to the trailer?
Yes, solid. It's perfect. Perfect position. Has to be in the right spot. Yeah, stoked.
Okay, we're just extended the tongue and now we're making it shorter, sliding it back so we can get it to the dry dock.
Okay. All right, got her out of the water. Looking good. Went on the trailer really good. Fit perfectly on.
right in between the two engine wells. Right there, the screw. Well, should have been a little bit over. Wow, came 1 inch close to yellow mark, and that's it. That's how you load a catamaran on homemade trailer. You pull your sailing cat for dry dock, and we power washed it. Looking good. All right.